Hi YouTube, my name is Saraan and welcome to my channel Investing with Saraan. It's a new year and we can finally look past one of the worst years known to us, known as 2020. One good thing about this year was the dividends that I was able to collect, specifically in the month of December. And that's what today's video is going to be about today. In total, I got paid out 7 different times in dividend payments. And it was one of my best months of dividend investing. Before getting into that video, I want to introduce you to Wealthsimple, a commission-free trading platform. If you want to start being a partial owner of several companies as well, and want to earn dividends, use the link in the description or use a code on the right of the screen. This code is a referral link for Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple is a commission-free investing platform that is great for beginners and those who do not like paying fees for purchasing stocks. By depositing and trading at least $100 worth of stocks, we both get $10 for free. If you want to get even more free money and want to join the Bitcoin hype train as well, as it exploded over 40,000 last week and now is at 45,000, I shared a link to Coinbase down below in the description. It's the easiest and most simple way to buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. It also allows you to earn free cryptocurrencies by watching videos and learning about different cryptocurrencies and finishing a quiz on them to get that free cryptocurrency. All you have to do to earn this free money is to buy $100 worth of cryptocurrency to get $10 worth of Bitcoin. I put the link down below, so get your cryptocurrency now. But enough talking, let's get straight into the video. Welcome back YouTube. Here we are on my Questrade and Wealthsimple portfolio. It's currently sitting at $11,500 and is nearing $12,000 in the next few months. So let's dive into the month of December and see the dividends that we got paid. My first payment in December was Fortis, ticker symbol FTS.TO. I only had one share of this company when I got paid, so I only received 51 cents on December 1st. I'm definitely thinking of adding more into the stock because it has a dividend yield of 3.14% and it pays out dividends quarterly and it's a very defensive stock. So this brings our total to 51 cents. My second dividend payment was from my largest and my favorite dividend. This was Enbridge, ticker symbol ENB.TO. In total, I have 64 shares of Enbridge, 12 in Wealthsimple and 52 in Questrade. With Wealthsimple, I earned $9.72 worth of Enbridge. With Questrade, I earned $42.12 with Enbridge. This means I received a total of $51.84 from Enbridge on December 1st. It currently has a dividend yield of 8.20%. And personally, I think that I won't be adding any more shares manually. In Questrade, I have a drip for the Enbridge, so it would automatically purchase additional shares with the dividends earned in each quarter. If you don't know what a drip is, check out my last video and click on the drip chapter. This brings my total to 52.35 cents. It already surpassed my previous months of dividend investing by almost 5 times just with Enbridge and Fortis. My third dividend payment was from BMO Canadian Dividend ETF, ticker symbol ZDV.TO. I have a total of 8 shares of ZDV. This ETF pays out 6.5 cents and is usually paid out monthly. It has a dividend yield of 4.79%. And with this ZDV share, I earned 52 cents on December 3rd, and personally, I don't think I'll be adding more into this. Currently, it holds stocks such as Sun Life Financial, CIBC, and many others. I feel like there are better ETFs within the TSX market, and I will continue to hold and get the dividends, but will not be adding any more. So this brings our total to $52.87. My fourth dividend payment was from RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust, ticker symbol REI/UN.TO. When I got paid, I only got one share of RioCan, and at that time it paid out 12 cents for every share that you held, and it paid monthly. It has a dividend yield of 8.77%, which is pretty high. In total, I received 12 cents from this dividend on December 7th. One thing to note about this REIT stock is that it recently cut its dividend from 12 cents to 8 cents. This has drastically dropped the stock by a couple of dollars. Therefore, I'm purchasing even more RioCan shares and I'm aiming to have 100 shares. It brings my total to $52.99. My fifth dividend payment was from Vanguard FTSE Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF, ticker symbol BDY.TO. This ETF was paid out on December 8th and it's currently my best performing stock in terms of total gain in the dollar amount. This ETF holds many strong dividend players within the TSX market. Their top 10 holdings include Royal Bank of Canada, the Toronto Dominion Bank, Enbridge, Bank of Nova Scotia, Bank of Montreal, TC Energy Corp, Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, BC Inc., Manulife Financial Corp, and Nutrien Ltd. It currently pays out 15.63 cents per share and pays this monthly. I have 38 shares altogether, so this brings our dividend yield and dividend total for VDY to $5.94. I don't think I'll add any more shares into this ETF as I'm trying to focus on ETFs that focus outside of Toronto Stock Exchange, mainly the S&P 500. With the dividend that I got from VDY, our current total for the month of December is $58.93. My sixth dividend payment was from Canadian National Railways, ticker symbol CNR.TO. This is a freight railway company that serves Canada and the Midwestern to Southern United States by offering goods and delivering them. It currently pays out 57.5 cents for every share you have, and it pays it out quarterly. Its dividend yield is 1.64% and is currently at $140, but in the last few days I'm pretty sure it went up. I want to increase my position in this stock in the long term and try to earn for 10 to 12 more shares. I want to do this because it's a great defensive stock to hold with them when the economy is down or up. In total, I received $1.73 from CNR on December 30th. With that 1.73, it changes my total to $60.56. My seventh and final dividend payment came from Brookfield Property Partners L.P. Ticker symbol BPY/UN.TO. It pays out 43.29 cents a share with a dividend yield of 9.39%, which is pretty high. I currently don't have this share as I sold it to purchase more financial stocks, and unfortunately earlier this week it rocketed by 20% and is currently up $3. I don't think I'll chase this gain and repurchase the stock again. I had 2 shares and received a dividend of 86 cents. So after receiving that dividends from 7 different companies, this brings our grand total to $61.52 within the week of December. It's honestly one of my best months of investing. That was a great way to wrap 2020. I'm hoping we can add to my success and earn more dividends in the long run in 2021. I'm hoping to get $300 to $400 worth of dividends in the year of 2021. I'm honestly trying to add more dividend kings and more dividend aristocrats. If you don't know what they are, I've described what they were in my last video, and click on that chapter. I'm also trying to make my portfolio gain more passive income so I can earn income and use dividends for daily purchases such as coffee, donuts, and many other cheap food. Hopefully by doing this, I can continuously earn compound interest on my investment and end up achieving my overall goal for now of having $1,000 in monthly dividends paid out to me. If you want to join my dividend investing journey and learn some concepts of investing on the way, punch that subscribe button down below and drop a like. Remember to click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. It's been Saraan, and join me next time on Investing with Saraan.
Check out more videos down below. If you're new to investing, click on the playlist on the right to learn more about the basics of investing. If you're a returning viewer, check out my last video on the left. Bye for now.